Hey food fam, welcome back to another video. If you have not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel down below. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be making dinners from Lidl. I know there's 5 days during the working week. I was only able to do 4. For some reason, Lidl was just out of everything. But in the next video, I will make sure I have 5 dinners for you guys. So let's get straight into the video.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
The first dish I'll be making are these delicious Mongolian meatballs. I will also leave the full list of ingredients in the description box. For this recipe I'm using ground beef, as that's literally all I found in Lidl. I would have preferred to use a mixture of beef and pork, as the fattier the meat is, the better it makes meatballs. If you use anything that's too lean, your meatballs will crumble and end up super dry, and that's not what we want. So make sure you buy the beef or the pork that has the highest fat contents. Now we're going to roll our meat into a nice medium size so that it doesn't take too long to cook. We're going to brown and then pop them in the oven until they are cooked through. To make our sauce, we're going to heat up some brown sugar, soy sauce and water, bring to a boil, and then we're going to add our cornstarch slurry, which is a mixture of cornstarch and some water, and that is going to thicken our sauce and make it lovely and rich. And then we're going to lightly season with some salt and garlic powder. Once the sauce has nicely thickened up, we're going to add our meatballs and smother with the sauce. Oh guys, this was amazing. Now we're going to garnish with some sesame seeds, scallions, chilies, and serve up with some rice and enjoy. My next dish is called a sweet potato and butterbean curry. Guys, this is absolutely one of my favorite vegan, vegetarian, meat-free meals to make. It's super cheap and definitely tasty. You are not going to miss the meat at all. And most importantly, or can I scream, which is very helpful, is that it's all made in one pot. Isn't that just a dream? You will find that I did not add any coconut milk or cream to this dish, and that's only because Lidl didn't have any. But if I was shopping anywhere else, I definitely would have added some coconut cream, because this just enhances the flavour to another level. But do trust me, it tastes just as great without it. I am an advocate for tasting food as you go along and not at the end, so please do taste this as you go along and adjust the seasonings to your preference. Now this dish is super easy to make and doesn't require much, so I hope you enjoyed it, and serve with some lovely steamed rice and vegetables. I'm calling all my pasta lovers to like this video, because this chicken and asparagus pasta is going to knock you off your feet. Honestly, it is amazing. And another reason why I do love this is because everything is cooked in one pot. I find that during the week I'm super busy, and by the time I finish work I literally just want to eat. So I'm looking for meals that are super quick, delicious and easy to follow, and this is definitely one of them. For this dish, I used the whole pot of pesto. Guys, let me put you on. The pesto at Lidl is 10 out of 10. Honestly, it tastes just the same as if I made it myself, but even better. So don't waste your time making pesto at home. Go and buy it for Lidl for a couple of pence. And there you have it, guys, this super creamy chicken and asparagus pesto pasta. Thank me later. Now the last dish of them all is this salmon fish pie. You might be thinking at first, fish and pie is a no, but trust me, try this and you will not be disappointed. Because we don't eat that much dairy here, I substituted anything dairy with yogurt, but feel free to add cheese, to add cream to this dish to suit your preference. And there you have it, guys, creamy salmon pie. Thank me later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have another one for you in the next coming weeks, so stay tuned. See you guys.